Hey there, future cyber warriors. Let's break down the essential tools every newbie hacker needs in 2025. First up, Nmap, the network mapper. It's great for discovering hosts and services on a network, perfect for spotting open ports. Next, we've got Burp Suite, the web app tester. Intercept, modify, and replay HTTP requests to find vulnerabilities like XSS and SQLI. Third, SQLMap. This tool makes detecting SQL injection flaws a breeze. It's super user-friendly. Coming in at number 4, Wireshark. Capture and inspect real-time traffic to understand data flows across networks. And finally, Nikto, a lightweight web server scanner checking for dangerous files and misconfigurations. Quick and effective, these tools are your cybersecurity toolkit foundation. Practice safely and grow your skills the right way. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more HackEye cybersecurity tips. Catch you next time.